CBS News has new information about the Supreme Court's health care ruling last month, a historic decision that has left the court deeply divided. As Jan Crawford first reported Sunday on Face the Nation, Chief Justice John Roberts didn't want to be the only one to switch sides at the last minute.
When he changed his mind, he joined with the liberals to instead uphold the law. And then he tried furiously, with a fair amount of arm twisting, I'm told, to get Justice Anthony Kennedy to come along. Now, Kennedy sometimes sides with the conservatives, so he would have been Roberts' best hope. But on this issue of federal power, Kennedy was firm. The conservatives refused to even engage with Roberts on joining his opinion to uphold the law, and they set out writing their own opinion. They wrote it really to look like a majority decision, my sources say, because they hoped that Roberts would rejoin them to strike down that mandate. And Kennedy was relentless until the end, trying to get Roberts to come back, but Roberts did not. So the conservatives' decision instead became a dissent. Of course, the court does erupt into conflict occasionally, Bush versus Gore being a famous example back in 2000. But some people believe that you would have to go back nearly 70 years to see this kind of tension, almost bitterness, I think you could say, that now exists among the justices.
And Jan Crawford with more of her inside information on that, which she first brought to us last week as we were learning more about how that decision came down and how the switch apparently happened for Chief Justice Roberts.